with more time at home, you might finally be getting around to doing those things around the house that you've put off, like organizing the house. So Tess is joining us live from her home studio. Tess, where do we even start?
Hiring someone to do it all? Just kidding.
Yes.
We know it can be overwhelming, right? And that's why experts say you have to organize with a purpose. So, professional organizers that we spoke to basically said, tackle the area that stresses you out the most, where you just walk into it and you're like, I can't handle it. And for a lot of folks, one of the high stress areas actually is your closet. All right, so think about it. I'll be honest, we're all guilty of just throwing things in the closet because obviously no one's going to see it. It's behind closed doors. Bridges Connor has been going into people's homes for more than a decade, helping them declutter homes and offices. And she says organizing your space helps create a less stressful, more focused lifestyle. And since we're in the middle of the COVID pandemic, a more organized space can really play a role in helping you find your calm. As for the closet, unfortunately, it's usually a dumping zone, she says, especially for women.
Sacrifice their closet for the house is what I see. And I see stuff stashed, shoved everywhere in closets. So it should be your sanctuary. It should be every woman's sanctuary, particularly if they have their own space. Make it your own.
Connor says good organization begins with good purging and sorting. Connor says first, pull everything out of the closet, go over each piece, figure out if it's something to keep, something to donate, give away, or is it something you can even make money off, something you can sell. From there, it's time to begin organizing.
I have my layering pieces together, I have my dresses together, I have my pants together. So if you put like with like, and I also do a really gentle light to dark, I wouldn't get too hung up in, the rainbow and all that other kind of good stuff. So just do it light to dark so that you can find what you need when you need it.
So, by separating your clothing and organizing like with like, it'll also give you various options to mix and match your clothes. Same goes for your shoes. Sort and display them together by color. And here's a great little tip. You see how she has them there on the shelves? Shoes fit better on a shelf or space if you put them one way opposite of the other. This will save you space. Now, we also asked about sentimental items because, like I said, we dump everything into the closet. And Connor says keepsakes need to have a home too. So she suggests getting a bin for each family member, labeling it, actually have those family members keep that bin in their closet, and then that's where you can put that sentimental stuff. The problem is don't let it overflow in that bin because then you're back to, oh no, I'm hoarding everything. My husband makes fun of me that I hoard everything, but I do try to do the bin thing. So I'm like, well, I'm sort of there, one little start.
Yeah, you know what else I've heard, especially like, you talk about sentimental things like, for example, the art projects from the kids.
Hmm.
Like, you don't want to throw that stuff out. But you know what I did with the preschool stuff? Because I had dried macaroni everywhere. So I took,
Same.
yeah, so I took pictures of each little project and then I put it in a book. So I have an art book on my coffee
That is
table.
a fantastic idea. Fantastic idea. See, we got this.
Big
Now let's
high
get
five.
organized.
Thanks, Des.